In regular nouns, usually, we add an s or an es when we are making it a plural. But we also know that there are three ways of pronouncing the s at the end of the word. The first is s, regular s sound. The second one is z, and the third one is is. Words like cap, you will say caps. Words like book, books. Laugh, laughs. But when it comes to words like bag, you will say bags. The z sound. Bags. You will say beds. You will say boys. And finally, the is, like watches, like boxes, like judges. This word we use in is. But when and how will we know when to pronounce it as an s, when to pronounce it as an z, and when to pronounce it as an is? For s, we pronounce it when the end of the word is either with the letter F, T, TH, T, or K. Like, for example, caps, hats, mouths, laughs, books. As for s, words that end with the letters B, D, G, V, M, N, L, R, or with a vowel. Like, for example, words like bag, bags, bed, beds, boy, boys, pen, pens, glove, gloves, chair, chairs. As for the is, words that end with S, Z, G, that sounds like a G, J, and Sh. Like, for example, words like buses, boxes, bushes, watches, glasses, and judges. To learn some more how to pronounce different words, come and join my class.